Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about new topic estimation of numbers. So today we'll see what is estimation. In our daily life we come across several situations where we do not give the exact number but give only a rough estimate of number, and that is known as estimation. Or we can say that when there is a very large figure we approximate that number to the nearest plausible value, and this is called estimation. So estimating depends on the degree of accuracy required and how quickly the estimation is needed. We can estimate the numbers nearest 10, 100 and 1000, so on. So first we will see how to round off a number to nearest 10. So what is estimation? Estimation means where we want to give, where we do not want to give the exact value, but we will give the approximation value. So first we will see rounding of a number to nearest 10. How to round off a number nearest tens place. So there are some rules. First one, if one's digit is 5 or more than 5, increase tens digit by 1 and replace one's digit by 0, otherwise do not change the tens digit. And second, leave the rest of the digits unchanged. Let us understand this by example. First example, in 246 round off the nearest 10. We have to round off 246 nearest tens place. So for tens place we have to see the ones place here. So you can see at ones place number is 6. So first, according to the first rule, we have to replace 6 by 0. So instead of 6 you have to write 0. And now you can see that 6 is greater than 5. If any number at ones place, if it is 5 or more than 5, then we have to increase the tens digit by 1. So in place of 6 you have to write 0, and 6 is greater than 5. So in place of 4 you have to, since 6 is greater than 5, so replace or increase 4 by 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. And 2 will remain as it is. There will be no any change. So if we want to round off 246 nearest 10, you have to see the ones place. At ones place, if it digit is 5 or more than 5, then you have to increase the tens place by plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5, as 6 is greater than 5. So 246 is near to 250. Let us see second one. In 35 round off the nearest 10. Round off the nearest 10 means near 35 which number comes in, we can see that there should be 0 at the last. Directly also you can say that 35, nearly 35, 30 and 40 both are the nearest tens numbers. So first you will see the ones digit. Your ones digit is 5, and according to our rule, if in at ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, then you have to increase the tens digit by plus 1. So first replace 5 by 0. So we will replace 5 by 0, and 5 is, and we have to increase the tens digit by plus 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. So you can see that 40 is near to 35. So this one is a round of nearest 10. It means there should be only one 0. So 35 is near to 40, and 246 is nearest to 250. Now we will see how to round off nearest 100 place. Here also the same rule. Now in for nearest 10 we have seen the ones digit, but for nearest 100 we have to see the tens digit. If tens digit is 5 or more than 5, increase the hundreds digit by plus 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. You can see the rules are same for all, for nearest 10, hundreds and 1000. Only the place value will be changed. For 100 we have to see the tens digit. Second, leave the rest of the digit unchanged. Let us understand this one also by example. In 2446, round off the nearest 100. We have to round off this number nearest 100. It means which is the nearest value of 100 which comes nearby 2546. For we know that the rule we have seen that for nearest 100 we have to see the place the tens digit. Here you can see that tens digit is 4. Here you have to replace 6 by 0 and replace by 00. Why? Because how many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. So we have to replace 2 digit by 2 0. We will see that here 4 is less than 5. So by rule that if any digit is less than 5, so there will be no any increment of hundreds digit. Since 4 is less than 5, so do not change 5. 5 will be as it is, and 2 less, leave the rest of the digit unchanged, and 2 we have to write as it is. So you can see that 2500 is near to 2546. For nearest 100 we have to see the tens digit. If it is greater than 5, then you have to increase 100 digit by +1, and if it is less than 5, then write the 100 digit as it is it. Let us see second one. In 35,789, round off the nearest 100. Once again, for nearest 100 we will see which digit? Tens digit. Ones digit we have to replace by 0 only, but tens digit you can see that since here tens digit is 8, and since 8 is greater than 5, so you have to increase hundreds digit by +1. So in place of 89 you have to write 00, and you have to replace or you have to increase 7 by +1 because 8 is greater than 5, and by the rule if at tens place if any digit is greater than 5, then you have to increase hundreds digit by +1. So 7 + 1 8, and 35 will be as it is, there will be no any change. So you can see that 35,800 is near to 35,789. I hope you have understood this one. So in first one we have seen that if you want to round off nearest 10, so we will see ones digit. For nearest 100 we have to see tens digit, and if it is less than 5, then you have to write its hundreds place hundreds digit as it is, and if it is greater than 5, then you have to increase that place value by +1. Now the last topic we will see how to round off nearest 1000. So rounding of the number to nearest 1000. If hundreds digit, rule will be same for all. If hundreds for 1000 we have to see the hundreds digit. If hundreds digit is 5 or more than 5, increase 1000 digit by 1 and replace each digit on it right by 0, and you have to leave the rest of the digit unchanged. So let us see example. In 2573, round off the nearest 1000. By rule 1, which digit we have to see now? Hundreds digit. And how many zeros are there in 1000? 3 zeros. So we have to replace by 0. The last 3 places you have to replace directly by 0. First we have to see the hundreds digit. You can see that here hundreds digit is 5. Since 5 is equal to 5, so we will increase 1000 digit by +1. So 2 + 1 3, and 573. In place of this you have to write 000 because we have to round off nearest 1000. So you can see that 3000 is nearer to 2573. Let us see second question. In 1,25,732, round off the nearest 1000. So first step is to replace the last 3 digit by 3 zeros. So first we have replaced last 3 digits 732 by 000. Which place now we have to see? For thousand we have to see hundreds place. At hundreds place, which is the number given here? 7. Since 7 is greater than 5, we have to compare this by 5 only in every time, for tens, for hundreds and digits. Since 7 is greater than 5, so we have to increase its thousand place by plus 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. So you can see that in place of 732, we have written 3 zeros, and 5 plus 1, 6, and 12 will be as it is. There will be no any change. So 12,000, 1,26,000 is near to 1,25,732. So we have seen that for nearest 10, we have to replace only last digit by 0. Only last digit by 0, and we have to see its before place means it tens place. If it is less than 5, then you have to write as it is that number, and if it is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then you have to increase its tens place by plus 1. Then for 100, we have to replace the last two digit by double 0. Now we have to see its tens place. If tens place is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then you have to increase its hundred place by plus 1. And last one for thousand. In thousand, we have to replace the last three digit by 3 zeros, and you have to see hundreds place. And if it is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then you have to increase its thousand place by plus 1. And if it is less than 5, then you have to write the digit as it is. There will be no any change. I hope you have understood how to round off nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. Now we can see some other example. Here one number is given. We have to approximate to nearest tens, hundreds and thousand. So 75,847. For nearest 10, we have to see its ones place. 7. You can see that 7 is greater than 5. So in place of 7, first we have to replace it by 0, and its tens place we have to increase by plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5, because 7 is greater than 5. Now we have to replace the same number, round of nearest hundreds. So in 100, how many zeros are there? 2 0. So last two digit you have to replace first by 2 zeros. Now we have to see its tens place. At tens place, 4 is given, and 4 is less than 5. So we have to write 8 as it is, because there will be no any change. Now we have to replace round off nearest thousand with the same number. How many zeros are there in 1000? 3 zeros. So last three digit 847 you have to replace by 3 zeros. Now we have to see its hundreds place. At hundreds place, 8 is given, and it is greater than 5. So by the rule we know that if any number, if hundreds place is greater than 5, then you have to increase its thousand place by plus 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. So it will be round off to 76,000. Now we will see how to estimate sum or differences. Now we have seen only for the one number, individual number, but we will see how to estimate sum if we want to add, or difference means minus. So estimations are also used in adding and subtracting number. Let us understand by some examples. First one, example of estimation in addition. Now we have to estimate 7,890 plus 437. Here you can see that it is not given specifically that we have to round off nearest tens, hundreds or thousand. But by seeing the number, we have to understood that we have to round off nearest tens, hundreds or thousand. So there are some rules. First you have to see the smallest number. Here 7,890 and 437. Out of this, which is the smallest number? 437. And we have to round off the given number to the highest place value of the smallest number. You have to see the place value of smallest number, ones, tens and 100. So 100 is the highest place value of smallest number. It means we have to round off nearest 100. We have to round off nearest 100 both the number. How we can understood that by seeing the highest place value of smallest number, and its place value is ones, tens and 100. So 100 we have to round off nearest 100 the both number. So 7890 is rounded off to. For 100, they will see its tens digit. So you can see that tens digit is here given 9 and 9 is greater than 5. It means we have to increase its 100 place by plus 1. So 8 plus 1, 9, and replace the last two digit by double 0. So 7900 is near to 7890. 437. This one also we have to round off nearest 100. So we know that 100 has how many zeros? 2 0. So we have to replace last two digit by double 0 and we have to see its tens digit. And tens digit is here 3, which is less than 5. It means we have to write 4 as it is. So 400 is near to 437. After changing into its round of figures, we have to add. If we add this, it will come as 8300. And if we find actual sum, means 7890 plus 437, we will get 8327. And if we estimate after adding, then also we will get 8300. Second example, if number of digits are given equal, estimation of example of estimation in subtraction. Here you can see that 5678 minus 1090. Now we have to find the difference between these two numbers. Here you can see that 5678 is greater than 1090. By the same rule, we have to see the smallest number. The smallest number is 1090. And what is the highest place value? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So its highest place value is 1000. It means we have to round off nearest 1000. So by the rule of the 1000, if we have to round off 5678. For 1000, we will replace the last three digit by 000. After this, we have to see its hundreds place. For 1000, we have to see its before place means hundreds place. Here hundreds place digit is 6, and 6 is greater than 5. It means we have to increase its 1000 place by plus 1. So 5 plus 1, 6 and 000. It means 6000 is near to 5678. Now 1090. 1090. Again, first we will replace the last three digit by 000. So 1, 2, 3. And which number we have to see? It's 100 place. At 100 place here it is given 0. It means it is less than 5. So we have to write 1 as it is. So 1000 is nearest to 1090. Now we have to find the difference. So 6000 minus 1000, 500. If you find actual difference directly by minusing this, we'll get 4588. And if we find the estimated sum of this one, we'll get 5000. This one we have seen for addition and subtraction. Now we'll see for estimating product of number. Product means multiplication. So round of each factor to its greatest place, then multiply the round of factor. We have to see the places value. It means estimating the product of 199 and 31. Here you can see that in 139, what is the highest place value? 199, ones, tens and 100. It means we have to round off nearest hundreds. So for hundreds, which digit we have to see? It's tens digit. Here tens digit number is given 9, which is greater than 5. So in place of 99 you have to replace by 000, and 9 is greater than 5, so you have to increase its 100 place by plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. It means 200 is near to 199. 31. 31 highest place value is ones, tens. It means you have to round off nearest tens. In tens, how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. So replace 1 by 0, and 1 is less than 5, so 3 will be as it is. It means 30 is near to 31. After rounding off, you have to find the estimated product. So 200 into 30, which is equal to 6000. Now we have seen for multiplication, and last one we'll see for division. Same rounding of the dividend to the nearest multiple of the division, so the division become easy. Divide to get the quotient. Here let us understand this 2 point by one example. 295 divided by 15. Same here we have to see the highest place value of the given number, ones, tens and 100. It means 295 will be rounding off nearest 100. For nearest 100 we have to see its ones, its tens digit. So first we will replace last two digit by double zero. So double zero we have written. We have to see its tens digit. Tens digit is 9, which is greater than 5. It means we have to replace 100 digit by plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. It means 300 is near to 295. And 15. 15, its highest place value is ones, tens. It means we have to round off nearest 10. For tens, we will see only its ones value. So ones value is 5. So we have to replace its tens place by plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, and last digit we have to replace by 0. So 20 is near to 15. After finding this, we have to find its estimated value. So 295 divided by 15 or 300 divided by 20. If we divide this, we will get the answer 15. Now we will see question number 1 of exercise 1.4. So first question is given as round of the nearest 10. 341. Here you can see that here digit at ones place is 1, which is the place value given here, ones, tens and 100. For nearest 10, we will see its tens, its ones digit. So here digit at ones place is 1, which is less than 5. So replace it with 0 while other digit remains unchanged. So 341 rounded off to 340. Here you can see that at ones place, here digit is 1, which is less than 5. It means you have to replace 1 by 0 and 34 will be remain as it is. There will be no any change. So 340 is near to 341. Second one, 3556. Here again we have to see which place. It's ones place. At ones place, here digit is given 6. So here digit at one place is greater than 5 and 6 is greater than 5. So we have to replace its tens digit with 0. Sorry, its tens digit by, we have to increase its tens digit by plus 1. Only you have to replace 6 by 0. So 5 plus 1, 6 and 31 will be no change. So you can see that 3560 is near to 3556, as we have to see its ones place digit. Ones place digit is 6, which is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, then you have to replace its tens digit by plus 1. So 5 plus 1, 6 and 35 will be as it is. Third one, 55. Here again you have to see its ones place digit. So ones place digit is equal to 5. So we have to replace its tens digit by plus 1. So in place of 5, you have to write 0 and 5 plus 1, 60. So 55 is rounded off to nearest 60. Fourth one, 2467. This is one is your homework. Now we have seen for nearest 10. Now we will see for nearest 100. Round of the nearest 100. First one, 2586. For nearest 100, we will always see its tens digit. So we know that in 100 how many zeros are there? Double zero. So directly first you have to write the last two digit by double zero. And we will see its tens digit. So here tens digit is 8, which is greater than 5. So increase hundreds digit by plus 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. Right means this side one, 8 and 6. So we have to replace 8, 6 by double zero, and you can see that 8 is greater than 5. So increase hundreds place. It means 5 by plus 1. So 5 plus 1, 6 and 2 will be as it is. So 2600 is rounded near to rounded off nearest 100 for 2586. Second one, 356. First step, to replace 56 by double zero. Then we have to see its tens digit. Its tens digit is 5. So here tens digit is 5. So we have to increase hundreds digit by plus 1. And hundreds digit is 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. So 400. So 356 is rounded off to 400. Third one, 35,789. Here I have written directly because we have understood for many examples for this one. So how to write? In 100 how many zeros are there? Double zero. So directly 89 we have to replace by double zero, and we have to see its tens digit. So tens digit is 8, which is greater than 5. It means we have to increase hundreds place by plus 1. So 7 plus 1, 8, and 35 will be as it is. So 35,789 is rounded off to 35,800. Fourth one, 15,436. As we had done many example, so this one is your homework. Please try to solve this one. Now we will see the last question of our class. Rounded off the nearest 1000. 4,584. We know that in 1000 how many zeros are there? 3 0. So first we'll replace 584 by triple 0. Now for 1000 we always see its hundreds digit. So 100 digit means ones, tens, hundreds. At hundreds digit it is given 5. So here hundreds digit is equal to 5. So we have to increase its thousands digit by plus 1. At 1000 place, which number is given here? 4. So 4 plus 1, 5. So, and replace each digit on its right by 0. Right means here this side 584. This one is right and that one, the direction is left. So we have to replace 584 by triple 0, and here 5 is equal to 5. So we have to replace 1000 digit by plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 4,584 is rounded off to 5,000. Second one, 1,37,243. It's not necessary that many numbers, many different number of digit can be given, but we have to see only its 100 place. So again for 1000 how many zeros we need? 3 0. So we have to replace 243 by triple 0, and we have to see hundreds place digit. At hundreds place, ones, tens, hundred. Here it is given 2. Here hundreds digit is less than 5. You can see it is given 2 and 2 is less than 5. So replace it with digits on its right with 0. If it is less than 5, so there will be no any change. So 137 will be as it is, and 243 will be replaced with triple 0. So 1,37,243 is rounded off to 1,37,000. Then question number 3, 24,823. This one is your homework. Then we'll see the last question, 498. Here you can see, first we have to replace the last 3 digit by 0. If you replace it, 498, there is no any 1000 places given here. Here 100 digit is less than 5, or you can see that 100 digit is 4, which is less than 5. It means first we have to replace triple by zeros, but there is no any 1000 place value given here. So replace each digit by 0, and there is no any previous 1000. Here you can see that 1000 place number is not given. So directly the answer will be, so hence 498 is rounded off to 0. So answer will be 0, as there is no any 1000 place digit is given, so that we can increase or write no change. But 498, there is no any number which is near to 1000, nearly 498. So I hope you have understood all the questions clearly. So we'll see the next question in the